This is a 2010 Ford Flex. So right now we got misfire on cylinder number 5. So basically I'm gonna check the injector. That injector could be throwing the other codes, PO174 and random misfire, and probably the PO122. Okay, so let me fix that one. Let me swap the injector, see how it does. This is the 3.5. Gotta remove the air filter housing, connector, hose, the throttle body, the intake manifold, and we'll see what else. That way I don't get confused. So I'm gonna put this one over here and this one over here. Okay, remember this one, the one with the mark was over here. Okay, so now I put this one over here. This is 1, 3, and 5. Okay, 1, 3, and 5. So giving me misfire injector number 5. So now it should be on number 3. This is what I do. I put a little bit of a WD-40 around the seals. Let's see what we're getting. Previous. Twenty 10 Ford. Data display. Misfire. Continue. Should be on number 3 now. Number 3. Can you see it? There it is. Let me see. Injector fault. Yes. So the problem with this thing is the injector. As you can see, yes, fault on number 3 injector. And remember it was on number 5. Okay. Okay, I got this one. Let's see what we're getting on this one, this little one. Mhm. Okay, three core. See, injector number 3 cylinder. It's open. So the problem is the injector. So see, you could see it with this little scanner. Mm. When it comes to misfire, sometimes could be in most cases, in my experience, sometimes could be the coil, could be the spark plug, or could be the injector. Okay, in most cases when it comes to misfire, this is the problem. Okay, so these are the three things that you have to check first. Okay, just to let you know.